guys, welcome to today's video. We are talking about all things glasses today because I have not gotten new glasses in I think like 4 years, and I'm so excited to show you all of the new frames that I got, and we're gonna do a try on video. I'm also going to show you guys this makeup look right here because this is one of my favorite makeup looks as of late for like every day, but I love this look for glasses. You guys can tell I don't have any eyeliner on. It's a very like fresh look, and I love a simple look like this to wear with glasses. So this is kind of like a glasses makeup tutorial, but also a try on. Before we get started, I want to thank Vooglam for sponsoring this video, and I want to obviously thank you guys for always supporting me when I have sponsored content. It honestly means the world, and I love you guys so much for being here. Vooglam did send me 4 frames, and I'm going to try them on for you today. And I'm also going to show you guys this Vooglam makeup brush set, which is super cool. This is just the box because I've been using the brushes. I'm gonna show these later in the video, but a little sneak peek. Look at these brushes. They are the perfect gift, and especially with spring and summer coming. I mean, is this just not scream spring and summer? Of course, if you guys enjoy my videos, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you know when I post, and also give this video a thumbs up, and you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well. But I don't want to keep blabbing because I'm so excited to show you all of these frames because you are not going to believe how amazing and affordable these are. Y'all, you can't beat it. Okay, I was gonna do the makeup tutorial first, but I honestly cannot wait to show you these glasses. So the tutorial will be after the try on. So we're just gonna jump right into it. I got 4 different pairs of glasses, and they're all pretty different. And I wanted a wide variety and range of them because, I don't know, my mood can change, and I think glasses are a really great accessory. Also, I don't know if I mentioned, but you can get these frames with your prescription as well. So if you already know your prescription, you can just enter that in on the website, and you can get these with prescription, or you can get them without. I only have prescription with one of them, so yeah, let's just jump right into it. This style right here is called Elektra, and I'm gonna leave everything linked down below so you guys can find them easily. But how cool are these? Honestly, I wasn't sure if I should wear my headband or if I should take off my headband, but look how awesome these tortoise frames. They're a little bit bigger than what I'm used to. I think they're such a vibe, and they have a slight cat eye to them with a chunkier arm in this like beautiful mauve color. I think paired with the right outfit is such a look. All right, I changed my mind and I put the headband back on because I like it. And I think you can see the frames a little bit better when my hair is pushed out of the way because my hair is dark. So I'm really excited about these frames. Also, I don't know if I mentioned, they all come in this really soft glasses case right here. These frames, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's like Aethwy, but I'm going to leave it here on the screen. These are the coolest glasses ever. They are a black cutout frame and with a tortoise arm. Y'all, are these not I think these are my favorite. I'm obsessed with these. My boyfriend actually loves these, and I was kind of skeptical because they're a little bit more funky. They're actually very funky. I've never seen anybody wear glasses like this, and I showed my friends. They're obsessed. Very like cartoony-ish, but cool. Like these, probably my favorite. Okay, I chose this next pair because I wanted something colorful for spring and summer. You guys, spring is pretty much here already, and if you want some really cool frames, I love these. These are a geometric multicolor frame. I love that they are a clear multicolor because it just really opens up the face. Now the first pair I tried on, like these tortoise ones, these are cool and they're really bold, but these are bold in a subtle way because they're clear. So I'm obsessed. These are going to be pretty much my accessory for the spring and summer probably. I think they're really cool, and you have like orange and turquoise and like yellow just like woven throughout this frame. I'm obsessed. Last one, of course, I had to do a clear frame. I love a clear frame. This one is a clear crystal cat eye. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but the frame itself A raised crystal design to them. It gives such amazing texture to your face, to your outfit, without being bold because they're clear, and I'm obsessed with it. I love this shape. I think they're perfect for my personal face shape. I love the gold. It's more of a hot gold than like a light gold, but I think it's still so easy to pair with any outfit. I love this crystal, clear crystal, just it gets me. Jump right into it. First things first, I always put in eye drops. When I'm wearing glasses or even when I'm filming, I always like to put in eye drops because these particular ones, the Bausch & Lomb Lumify, they brighten your eye so much. I just put them in now, and I put them in like 3 minutes ago, and it literally just changes your entire look. So if you guys wear glasses often and sometimes you feel like it weighs you down or anything like that, these eye drops will brighten you up instantly. Just jumping right into my makeup, I already primed my face. You can see I have this like glowy look. I'm using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I want to first show you guys the brushes. 15 different brushes in here, so it's literally your full face, which is great. And I love how many options they give you for eye brushes. First thing we're gonna do is foundation. Every time I wear glasses, I like to wear foundation because I want a really clean canvas. So I'm using the L'Oreal True Match Foundation in W4. I used to use this foundation years ago, and that's when they didn't have a pump. Y'all, did you know they came out with a pump? Been using it for the past 2 weeks maybe, and I love it. So I'm gonna do one pump for my full face, and when I pump it onto the brush, I just kind of press it and dab it everywhere, and then I go in and buff. Next, we're going in with corrector. You don't have to do this, but I like to correct my under eyes because I have really dark under eyes, and when I wear my glasses, I don't want that super dark under eye to be there, because I feel like sometimes with certain frames you can get a shadow and then it looks even more dark. After the corrector, I like to jump in with concealer. I've been really liking this Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer in 2N. I don't know if they still make this formula, or maybe this is still their main concealer. I don't know. But I'm just going to place that right under my eye, and then also just a dab out here to kind of lift my under eye a little bit, especially again with glasses, sometimes it weighs you down. You really want a brighter under eye. I'm not going to blend this concealer in yet. I actually want to let it sit for quite a bit so it melts into my skin, and it will give me more coverage naturally because it's going to be partly dry. I'm gonna move on and go into my eyebrows while this dries down a little bit. Eyebrows have clear brow gel in them, so now we have to wait until that sets a little bit before we add a little bit more color. But we're gonna jump back to the concealer. So I'm taking my damp beauty sponge, and I love a sponge for this because we pretty much have the concealer dried down, so we want something damp to blend it out. But as you can see, it keeps the coverage when you let it dry down a little bit. I'm going straight in to set it. Now, I'm pretty much going to set all the areas that I put the concealer because, again, if you're wearing glasses, sometimes your makeup can transfer and move, and I don't want that. So I'm going in with the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder. This can go all over the face. This can go in just parts of the face. I use this particular color under my eye, a bright yellow toned shade. So it's perfect for the under eye. This brush is so perfect. I love the size of it. It fits right into the pocket of the under eye. So I have been obsessed with wearing cream bronzer. This is the Soul Dark Face and Body Bronzing Balm. This particular brush is actually from e.l.f. This is their Putty Primer Applicator Brush. I love the size of this, and I love the bristles of this, so that's the only reason why I'm using it. Whoops, that's a lot. Let me put some on the other side. Now I'm using Hourglass again. Guys, I'm obsessed with Hourglass. This is my travel palette. They have a bronzer in this right here. It's the Luminous Bronze Light. This has a little bit of a glow to it, so it's not going to mattify or anything. It's just really gonna hold everything in place. And I'm also going to bring it to the cheeks as well. And then just, again, brush the sides of my nose, forehead. Going in with a matte medium brown shade. Whenever I wear glasses, I don't like to wear a lot of shimmers. I don't like to wear a lot of colors when it comes to glasses, because your glasses are an accessory already, and I personally just like to keep it nice and neutral. I mean, if you like to do colorful eyeshadow while you're wearing your glasses, do you, boo, you know? But for me, I need to keep it neutral because I just like how it looks. It's a cleaner look, and that's just what I've been going for lately, like a fresh face. And now I'm actually gonna go in with the like a stumpy eyeshadow brush. I love brushes like this. I think it's such a necessity in a brush kit. And I'm taking that same brown color and I'm actually just going to swipe it under the lash line, and I like to really blow the lash line out. I want to give my eyes a little bit more dimension, so I'm actually gonna go in with the dark brown. It's a matte dark brown color with this little brush that's like a rounded, I don't know, pencil brush. And I'm taking this, tapping off the excess, and I'm actually going to press this into the outer corner of my eye. And this is just going to lift my eyes a little bit and give it dimension, because I'm not wearing eyeliner. Sometimes I like to wear eyeliner, but I think it's just gonna be a little too harsh with my glasses, so I like using eyeshadow. And you can make this into a wing, you can bring it out. I'm just gonna keep it simple, and I'm just going to press it on the outer lash line here. Mascara is on, and I also want to remind you guys to always do your bottom mascara when you're wearing glasses. I just really think it opens up the eye a lot more. I am also going to throw on a gloss because I like to keep it pretty neutral. All right, you guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I put these back on because I love these. They're one of my favorites, and it's just, they're so cool and different. But if you have any questions, please leave them down below. I'm gonna leave all the information, all the links to everything down below. And again, if you guys are interested in new frames or glasses for spring, for summer, just for every day, don't forget to use Fawn15 for an extra discount on the already amazingly affordable glasses. I can't wait to go back and get more glasses. These are such a vibe. Let me know down below if you are getting anything from their website, or even just check it out. It's just so cool, and you can really get lost in all of the frames that they offer. But yeah, if you guys have any more questions, leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, subscribe, and like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!